Hey there! This video will show you how to search for webmixes in the Symbaloo library and add them to your account. Click on the plus sign on the top of your screen next to your last webmix. A pop-up will appear where you can either create your own empty webmix or search for an existing webmix in the Symbaloo library. Type in any keyword related to the kind of webmix you are interested in. For example, I will search for math webmixes. Click on Search, which will take you to the Symbaloo library. Here, you will get a list of the top results related to your search. Click on any of these search results and you will be able to see a preview of the webmix, as well as a brief description of the webmix, related keywords, the rating of the webmix, who it's created by, and the amount of followers it has. If you would like to add the webmix to your account, click on Add Webmix and you will be taken back to your account to your newly added webmix. When you add a webmix from the Symbaloo library or a webmix sharing link, the webmix added will be followed and locked by default, which means you cannot make changes to the webmix because you are following the creator's version of the webmix, which will be updated when changes are made by the creator. If you would like to make this webmix your own and be able to edit it however you'd like, simply click on Following and click on Stop Updates and Enable Editing. Another way to search for a webmix is by using the magnifying glass symbol at the top of the page next to the inbox symbol. Here, you can search for webmixes, tiles, and profiles of other Symbaloo users. If you want to delete the webmix at any point, simply click on the garbage symbol and a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm whether you'd like to remove this webmix from your account. Learn more about how to share your webmixes in the next video.